絕地聖劍武士特訓，再過15分鐘就要開始。多謝。Come visit a Jedi temple as force-sensitive children train in the ways of the Force and put their skills to the test against.
Don't worry, it's only a replica of Captain America's original by radiation.
Replica? Really? Let's not tell Mr. Stark.
About this. Yes, good idea. That shield helped protect us back in the 1940s and still does today.
In the 1940s, the power-hungry organization known as Hydra became a growing threat to peace around the world.
Their lust for power was insatiable, and with their advanced weapons
Squadrons of super soldiers. Although there was only one success, one was all we needed.
From Howard Stark's time helping Captain America fight tyranny till today, Stark Industries continues this legacy of protection. We're here for you.
Wendy, these suits are expensive. Totally kidding, but you should see your face right now. And you hurt your hand too, didn't you?
No! A little.
Well, you're doing great. Keep it up.
收到，黃小姐。啟動智能眼鏡示範模式。小姐，請退後一步。
退後一步？點解啊？唔該晒卓慧，等我慳返，唔使去洗衣鋪。
黃小姐，呢個車廂滿座，下一個車廂嘅左手邊會有位。
知道啦，卓慧，唔該晒。我哋史達工業係最值得你信賴嘅科技。
This architectural wonder is the first self-sustaining, clean energy-powered skyscraper on the continent of Asia. The building is run by the largest arc reactor I've ever built and generates enough excess energy to power 20 more Stark towers. And this is just the beginning. Can you imagine no longer needing coal, oil, or nuclear power to run our cities? That's practically all I think about when I'm not thinking about dim sum. Hong Kong Stark Tower is a symbol of our company's obsessive dedication to providing clean energy for everyone.
An Iron Wing vehicle is now being prepped for your tour of Stark Tower. Your route will give you a beautiful view. An Iron Wing vehicle is now being prepped for your tour of Stark Tower. Your route will give you a beautiful view of the city of Hong Kong. When you reach Stark Tower, you'll be able to safely disembark for your up-close tour of the largest arc reactor in the world. But now, it's time for me to introduce you to your pilot today, Jarvis.
唔該晒，黃小姐。
Jarvis is an autonomous artificial intelligence interface created by Tony Stark.
講得冇錯，我已經被載入鐵甲號嘅運作系統，可以全方位控制飛行汽車。我相信我哋好快就可以起飛。
Thank you, Jarvis. We would like you now to pay close attention to the following safety information.
When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. All carry-on items must be safely stowed beneath your seats. Storage bins are located under every seat. To fasten your restraint, simply pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. When the crew member comes through, please raise your arms so they may make a visual confirmation. For your safety, remain seated throughout your tour with your restraints securely fastened, and please watch your children. Once you are seated, you may put on your Stark Vision heads-up display glasses. The glasses will activate prior to launch.
You are about to step into the future of transportation. All of us at Stark Industries wish you a pleasant flight. Jarvis XO8, you are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by, the launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集衝擊光炮。
Not the enemy!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。前面就係史達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。呢個燃反應能源器可以，立即接駁閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? Busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源
Okay,
器。
fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科技線。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該晒，史達先生。飛行穩定器回復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know, Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Come on, get out of here. Go! Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo.
大家唔使驚，我哋一齊解決佢。
Hey, miss me.
史特先生，
One, two, three. Hit him hard, Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
感應器顯示所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed.
史特先生小心！
I am really. Go, go, go! I thought Ultron was tough. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we gonna take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力，
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。史特先生，
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found its weakness? Well, shoot that! No! Leaving! Go, go, go! Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey.
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so
系統冇過，
Your power's failing. Show me the grappling cables.
釋放鋼纜。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史達先生，我哋就嚟到晒啦。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cables. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy.
No,
Don't even.
no, no.
Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!
OK。
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，喺右手邊離開。發射門棘住咗，發射集束激光炮。打爛咗道門，唔好意思。
Get all of you back to the expo.
史達先生，我哋就嚟到晒啦。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cable.